if you're doing some averaging, for example, here, I have a lot of measurement data. If I do some averaging, for example, I use the median here in this example, click on Start, we have a task log that can be used in an even more sophisticated way, because the average data will now be compared to all these single patches, and we get some sigma information, standard deviation information. We display the typical standard deviation, we display the 95% and the 99% accuracy. So that's 2 sigma and 3 sigma in terms of density, in terms of delta E and delta H, delta L, so that we can spot, for example, that here in the cyan, there must be some patch which was really odd. So there's some sign in those values which has a 38 delta E's away, whereas the others were quite narrow. So the delta E's, the maximum delta E's that we have compared to the average, is only high in the cyan. So that gives me an indication, okay, there was probably something strange in that patches. And if I remember right, it was this one. So the measurement 4, there's on purpose, I put a green patch, which should be cyan in this example. And this way I can much easier detect if there are some issues. And for example, for process control, it's quite helpful when I'm doing some averaging to see how my latitude is, how big is my deviation of my press. I can see that in this kind of averaging report. So that's a quite nice addition in ColorAnt. ColorAnt is no tool for process control in general, but this is a little bit of process control that you can use with the tool as well.